This time, let's talk about the sawtooth waveform. First, we have to find the period. Period is the time which is required to finish one full cycle. This is one full cycle of my waveform. This is another cycle, this is another cycle, and another one. So, the period of this waveform, t, is equal 7 milliseconds. Period is equal 7 milliseconds. Number of cycles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, cycle is this part of the wave which constantly repeats. So I have 5 cycles. Frequency. Formula for frequency says frequency is 1 divided by period, which is going to be equal 1 divided by 7 milliseconds is equal 142.85 Hertz. This is the frequency of this wave. Next, we're supposed to find the positive amplitude. Positive amplitude is the maximum voltage or maximum value of the wave measured from 0. So my peak value is going to be measured from here to here. So this is my peak. Voltage peak is equal 36 volts in this case. Voltage peak is maximum value measured from 0 to the top of the wave. Negative amplitude is my negative voltage peak. Please notice that we do not have any part of the wave going below 0. That's why my negative voltage peak is equal 0 volts. We're supposed to find peak-to-peak value. In other words, we're supposed to find, in this case, voltage peak-to-peak. We said that the voltage peak-to-peak is the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. Okay, so we said voltage peak minus negative voltage peak is going to be equal voltage peak-to-peak. In our case, we have voltage peak 36 volts minus, and negative voltage peak is equal 0 volts. 36 minus 0 is 36 volts. This is peak-to-peak value for this wave.